how to track YouTube views and subscribers in Airtable automatically. So this video is very useful for all the YouTubers here, because here I'm going to teach you that how you can get the daily channel views and subscribers from YouTube and add it to your Airtable account. And in this way, you do not even have to share the access of your YouTube channel. You can simply share the access of your Airtable account, and in this way your team can keep a track on the channel performance. So want to learn how you can create this automation for yourself? Come with me and I'll show you the whole process step by step. So this is my YouTube channel analytics, and I want to fetch the views and the subscribers data on the daily basis into my Airtable account. And for that, firstly, I'll have to build a connection in between these two applications. And for that, I'm going to do that basically with the help of Pabbly Connect. Well, it is an amazing integration and automation software, and you can also reach here by typing pabbly.com/connect. I will also attach this link into my description box. Now, if you are a new user of Pabbly Connect, you will have to sign up for free, where you will also get free tasks, that too every month, to test these kinds of amazing automation. I'm already an existing user of Pabbly Connect, so that is why I have signed in directly, and then I have clicked on access now, and after that you can see I have reached to the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. Now you will have to click on this blue button, create workflow, and from here only we are going to start creating our automation, our workflow. Okay, so firstly provide a random name to your automation. So I'm providing the name as automatically add YouTube views and subscribers in Airtable. Now click on create, and then you will find two boxes in front of you. These are trigger and action. Trigger means when this happens, action means do this. Okay, you can read this. Whenever this happens, do this. So understand with an example also. Whenever a sale happen in a payment gateway application, let's say, send an email via Gmail application. And here, according to our use case, whenever basically get the data via YouTube application and automatically add the data in Airtable application. So generally we need to select the applications in which we are setting up an automation, but here instead of selecting the application, I'm going to select a schedule. Well, what is the schedule? It is an amazing feature of Pabbly Connect via which you can schedule your automations or workflows at a specified time. Okay, so let's say I want this automation to run on every day. I want the data to be added into the Airtable on every day, basically every day. So that is why with the help of scheduler, I will run this automation every day, and here you can even specify the time. So how about I go with the same time, that is 9 a.m. okay, 7 a.m. Now I'll click on this button and you will see that it will be scheduled for the same time. Okay, now I am going to finally search for the YouTube application, because here my use case is to get your channel stats, basically the views and subscribers from YouTube. Okay, so here you will have to search for the same action event, that is get channel stats. Okay, now you'll have to connect your YouTube account with the Pabbly Connect the way I am doing, and here you need to provide the access of your YouTube account. All right, so I am also providing the same, and don't worry, your data is 100% safe with Pabbly Connect, so you can provide the access. All right, so I have clicked on continue, and you will see that how the authorization will be successful and how the channel has been connected. Now it is asking for the channel ID in order to retrieve the channel stats. So from where I'll get the channel ID? If you will go to your YouTube channel, here exactly you will find your channel ID. Okay, here you can see, and if I'll open this particular channel, you will find the ID from here also. Okay, so you can copy your ID and paste it here, and as soon as you're going to provide the ID and click on save and send test request, you will see that how it will provide you the channel access. Let me even show you. All right, so I have added, when I have added this extra slash along with my ID, the response was received, but I did not receive the channel stats. Okay, so make sure you do not include this extra slash. Okay, after clicking on this button save and send test request, once again I have received the response, and here I'll show you that here I have the view count, here I have the subscriber count. Well, this is just a testing channel, so that is why I do not have much data, and I'm creating this automation just to show you how you can can set this automation for yourself. So that is why I'm going with the testing account only, the testing channel only. Okay, now I simply want to add this data into the Airtable. So that is why, of course, in after clicking on this plus icon, I will search for the Airtable application only. But before I connect to my Airtable account with Pabbly Connect, here I'll show you one more interesting thing, that is, firstly I'll choose this create record action event, because of course I want to create a record into the Airtable. Okay, now coming back here, and before I connect to my Airtable account with Pabbly Connect, firstly let me show you that how exactly I want to fetch this data. So I want the date should be appear here, and the views count should appear in this particular column, and then the subscribers should be added here. So I have already shown you that the views and subscribers we have captured already from the first step, but we do not have any date in this particular response. Let me show you whether we have any specific date. All right, we have the date, but it is actually the published date of the YouTube channel. It is not the date of the current date. So from where exactly I'll get this current date? So how I'm going to track that the views and subscribers are of which particular date? Okay, so that is why for tracking the date is really important for me. And how I'm going to do that, don't worry, you just need to add one more step before this Airtable step, that is date and time formatter, which is an amazing feature of Pabbly Connect, in via which you can perform various kind of operations within your dates or regarding your date. Well, I just want to fetch the current date, so I'll select this particular action event, and I'll be clicking on connect, and you will see that by simply selecting these two options I will actually get the date. Okay, I do not want to include the time response, so that is why I have kept it false, and here you will see that it will fetch out the current date, that is 31st December 2022. And yes, it is about to come, it is New Year today. I'm recording this automation on the New Year. Okay, now when we have the date, finally I am going to connect to my Airtable application. So I'll be clicking on this button connect, click on add a new connection, and for the connections it is asking you the token and from where you can get these token. Okay, so I'm going to click on this particular hyperlink, and it will directly take me to that particular section, and I have this token, basically API token here, which I have copied, pasting it here, and this is how it is as easy as 1 2 3. I have connected my Airtable account with the Pabbly Connect. Now you just need to provide these values. Okay, so I have the spreadsheet name, I'm sorry for that, I have the base name as base ID and the table ID. Base name as which, let me check, YouTube channel performance. So how about I directly search for the same, the YouTube channel. Okay, now once your Airtable account is connected with Pabbly Connect, you will just have to search for your base name. So I have the base name as the YouTube channel performance. So let me search for the same YouTube channel performance, views and subscribers. Alright, so after selecting the base ID, you'll have to select the table ID. Well, I have the table ID as the table 1 only, and it has got selected automatically. Now finally I have 3 columns, the date, views and subscribers, into my Airtable spreadsheet, which are actually reflecting here since we have connected this particular spreadsheet only. Okay, so from where I'm going to provide this data, well, we have already collected this data in our previous step, and we just need to map this data. We do not even need to manually copy and paste the data. Here we are going to map the data, and mapping is very simple in Pabbly Connect. Simply click on this particular field and you will find the above data here in the drop down. Okay, so I have fetched the date from this date and time formatter feature, so that is why I'm adding the date from here. So this is how it has mapped. Second thing, it is asking for the views. Well, I have the views data from the second step. Okay, so I'm going to search for the same as the views, and I have 32 views. Okay, I have mapped this particular value as well. Asking for the subscribers data, let me again search for the subscribers, and I just have a single subscriber. Now you must be thinking that what is this mapping which I have just to perform in front of you. Okay, so whatever the details you will map from the previous step, these details will automatically be replaced when this automation will work in real time. But just in case if you have provided any value manually, then that particular value will remain same. So it is completely up to you that which particular values you want to keep on changing. In case you want to keep on changing, you'll have to map it, and in case you do not want to change any value, you'll have to add it manually. Now finally I'll be clicking clicking on this button save and send test request, and you will see that how this automation will automatically add the very same data into the Airtable. Well, the response has been received. Going back and going to refresh, okay, it has actually added the data on this particular section. Why it has added this particular data? Because I have added so many rows. So let me first delete this existing data, and then I'll show you that how it is going to work in the sequence manner. Alright, so I have selected all these records, going to delete all, and I'm going to click on this button once again right in front of you, so that I will be able to show you that how the data will be added here exactly. Alright, the data has been added. Here we have the date, here we have the views, and here we have the subscribers. So this is how now onwards every day what will happen, this automation will execute, and at 9:07 a.m. every day it will add the stats here into your Airtable account. And this is how you can keep on adding the data automatically, and this is how you can keep on tracking your records, tracking your channel performance directly from the Airtable. Okay, and for that you just need to set this automation inside Pabbly Connect once, and after that you do not have to do anything manually. Everything will work in the backend. Pabbly Connect will take care of all the tasks in the backend. Okay, I'm going to also attach this shareable workflow link into my description box, which I have just created in front of you. So just in case if you want to clone this automation into your account, I'm going to attach this link. Simply click on this link, sign up for free in the Pabbly Connect, and the same workflow will be cloned into your Pabbly Connect account, that too for free. Not just these applications, you can integrate multiple applications and automate your business with Pabbly Connect. You can ask your queries at forum.pabbly.com. My team will surely answer to your questions. This is the website of Pabbly Connect, and for the latest updates of Pabbly Connect and unique automation ideas, you can join our Facebook group, that is formget.deals. If you have found this video helpful in any way, share it with your friends and colleagues, and also help them to automate their business. Like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching this video.